Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this Realme Narzo 50A smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can enable the keyboard clipboard on this device. So in order to do that, just call up for the keyboard basically anywhere. I'll use this Google search bar. Once the keyboard appears, look for this icon, which stands for the clipboard itself. Tap on it, and in order to activate the clipboard, just turn on the switch, and from now on the clipboard has been successfully activated. In order to manage its elements, tap on this pencil, choose the elements that you want to remove, for example this one, and click on the trash bin, and as you can see, these elements have been successfully erased. In order to add the element to the clipboard, just type it in, select, copy, and once you open up the clipboard again, you'll see that this element has been successfully added to the recents category. In order to paste it from here, just tap on the element that you would like to paste, and it will be successfully pasted. Alright, so that was it for this video, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!